Drowning in project updates? Let's transform that chaos into streamlined teamwork by connecting Asana and Slack. First, open your Asana project where you want to receive Slack notifications. Click on the Customize button. It might also appear as 3 dots depending on your Asana layout located near your project name. This will open the project settings. Now, navigate to the Apps tab within the project settings. Here, you'll find a list of available integrations. Search for the Slack app in the list. Once you find it, click the Add to Slack button. You'll be redirected to a Slack authorization screen. Here, review the permissions Asana is requesting and click Allow to grant access. Back in Asana, a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the specific Slack channel you want to connect to this Asana project. This is where your notifications will appear. After selecting the channel, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is successful. Now, whenever there's activity in your Asana project like new tasks, comments, or due date changes, you'll receive instant notifications directly in your chosen Slack channel. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Asana and Slack. Enjoy the improved communication and boosted productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.